All right, today you guys are going to learn how to navigate your robot through a maze to different letters. So remember, when you click on the link from Google Classroom, all right, you have different options. Like right here under Playground, that's where you can get your mazes. So you click on Playground, and then right here is the normal grid where you see your robot down here. We want to switch this menu to wall maze today. As you can see, there's different ones, like you have an art canvas where you can do different kind of painting. You have a disc maze where you can kind of roam around and hit the different discs. We are going to work with the wall maze today and navigate kind of our way hitting letters. When you get into the maze, you have different camera options over here on the right side. Like if I click on this camera right there, it takes me to kind of like an aerial view where I can see all the different numbers. Today, you're simply going to navigate your robot to A, take a screenshot of it. Then you're going to reset and navigate over to B and take a screenshot. All right, so remember, when you start this, you can move this over to the side just like so. When you start, it's just drag and drop over here from your buttons. You just click and hold and you drag it to where they connect to each other. All right, so I want to drive forward, then I want to turn to the left. So I get the turn right, drop it in, and on this drop down, I can turn that to left. All right, and you can watch what it does. All right, so when you hit your start button here, it'll play, and that's what I have so far. To reset it, because you don't want to hit start again, otherwise it'll take off from there. You want to hit your reset button right there. It'll take you back to the front. All right, so I got him going forward. I got him turning left. Now I want to go forward again. And then he's going to go that direction. Now I want to turn left again. And then I want him to go forward. All right, make sure you change that to left. So that way he's turning left. Then if you want to look at your aerial again, you can look at it right here. Hit your start button. All right, and then you can adjust your distances, like right there where it says 200. Like if I wanted to go a little bit further, I can go 250. Change that one to 250. All right, now I can hit play, and he'll drive a little bit further. Make sure you're on the aerial right there. So you click the aerial view, then you hit your play button. He will drive over to A. And this is where I want you to take your first screenshot. I'll have a spot on Google Classroom for you to turn that in. So you take your screenshot, make sure you include your code right here when you do your screenshot. All right, then reset it. And now you're going to go to B right here. I'm going to make you do that one on your own. But your robot needs to go up through the maze, that direction to B. When you get to B, make sure you click on the aerial button, all right, and you take your screenshot again. If you have questions, feel free to email me. But that's it for today. Navigate your robot to A, reset it after you take your screenshot, then navigate to B. Take your screenshot.